चल्दी रहते साल सन्तानी गोटी छोटी च्याप्थ्यो मेरो साथी च्यापर डेड पारो जले हाउडे
Tell me if you want it.
Tell me if you want it.
Come and put it on me. Dollar Bill Part 2 coming soon. Dollar Bill Part 2.
Get it.
Dollar Bill Part 2.
Hey, coming soon. We're hitting like music video like right now.
Lately I've been fucking all these models. Ride on it, let me push the throttle.
Push the throttle. Yo,
Ain't no tomorrow.
Dollar bills, I don't want it. When you play the guitar. When you play the guitar. When you play the guitar, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm already like claims 1 रुपैयाँ कसैले खाँदैन यो सबै चोरी आमा
Dollar Bill Part 2.
यो त भयो अर्को क्लासमा Do एउटा लग शेष हान्दिनु नि दाजुभाइ अब हाम्रोमा नेक्स्ट ड्रप
Dollar Bill Part 2.
यस तातो रहेछ जुस जुस तातो पुसी चिसो मिलेन नि त कुरो ल ग्याङ everyone take care. Thank you for watching. My big brother right here, Young Llama, one of the best artists in the world. I respect him too much because he got too much talent, right? Oh man, how can you explain, man? I can't do that, man. Lot of respect, cause he like different thing, man. Out of the world.
Yes.
Yo.
Yes,
so.
Dollar Bill Part 2 coming soon.
Yay.
You better tune in.
Turn it. And turn that nose.
No,
full volume.
Volume.
Okay, take care, guys. Love you all. Take care. Okay, I'll show you San Francisco once again. डाँडा काँडा यो चाहिँ पुरै GTA मा आउँछ नि त्यो पहाडतिर लिएर जान्छ नि गाडी त्यही ठाउँ ल GTA फ्यानहरुलाई पनि भइहाल्यो हामी नेपाली दाजुभाइहरुलाई छँदैछ म छु नि माया गर्छु नि मेरो नेपाली दाजुभाइहरुलाई दिदी बहिनीहरु सबैलाई माया गर्छु नि मलाई पुरा त्यो साइड खेल्छ त अनि साइड नखेल्नु न दाजुभाइहरुलाई छँदैछ सीधा केटा हो सीधा केटालाई सीधा व्यवहार गर्नु साइडहरु नखेल्नु है I'm big South, I'm big brother.
Hell yeah.
Okay, take care everyone, take care. Good night.
Good night.
कहाँबाट एन्ड गर्नु
माथि
यता यहाँ थिच्नु ए हो
भएन
ला भएन